Adding, modifying, and deleting user accounts to your UltraSync smart home system can be easily done using the UltraSync mobile app. First, we'll review how to add a user. From the Overview screen, select the menu icon, then select Users. Next, select the Add User bar. Enter a first and last name for the new user. Next, enter a PIN. This is a numeric code between 4 and 6 characters and will be used by the user when arming and disarming the system. Next, select the language for this user. Then select the user type. Standard is the most common type. When you've finished populating the fields, select Done. This will save the changes you've made and the new details will be displayed. Selecting OK will complete this action. Next, we will edit an existing user account. Starting from the user screen, select the user account you want to edit. Select the field you would like to edit and enter the new information. When you've finished editing, select Done. This will save the changes you've made and the new details will be displayed. Selecting OK will complete this action. Next, we will delete an existing user account. Starting from the user screen, select the user account you want to delete, then select the Delete User bar. An action box will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete this user. Selecting OK will complete this action.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.